Now, I will just quickly show you how to export and import your Voiceflow templates if you wanted to create a new account. So, in your dashboard, in the workspace, you can come to any of the builds that you've created. For example, the appointment setter demo. Click the three dots next to the designer and hit download.vf. As you can see right here, this will give you the file for the Voiceflow template. Now, at the top of the workspace, you can click import.vf file, select the file from your downloads, open it, and you can see now we have appointment setter demo 1, meaning it's a copy. When you import the blueprint, you'll have everything that you set up in the previous demos. The only thing that won't carry over is the knowledge-based data sources. So whatever you have set up in your other demo, you will just bring that over, whether that be links, documents, etc. Just make sure all of your data sources are in this knowledge base, and you will have an exact build with a new account, which gives you more free tokens.